In this tutorial, we will show you how to get centimeter-accurate GPS position using an ArduSimple RTK receiver on your smartphone or tablet and use it with any Android app. The GPS receiver in your phone has an accuracy of 2 to 15 meters. By using our ArduSimple RTK receiver and enabling mock location, you can improve this accuracy to about 1 centimeter. You can use this precise GPS location in any Android app. Mock location means that you replace your smartphone's internal GPS receiver with an external one, where the measurement point is precisely centered on the antenna included in the kit. As a result, any app on your Android device that uses GPS location can benefit of centimeter-level accuracy. For instance, it can be used in precision farming to drive a tractor exactly between the rows to save your plants from accidental damage. You can navigate in a dark or foggy conditions when jogging or hiking. Or to check the position of a neighbor's new fence for compliance with the cadastral data. Now let's dive in our tutorial. Firstly, make sure you have required software and hardware. We are going to use RTK, a portable Bluetooth kit from ArduSimple. This kit includes a pre-configured dual-band RTK receiver, powered by a ZAF9P module, a high-quality RTK antenna, and a USB cable to connect to your phone. This kit is essential for achieving centimeter-level precision. You will also need an Android tablet or a smartphone with internet access. Ensure your device supports USB OTG or Bluetooth Classic. We'll use the GNSS Master app, available for free in the Play Store. This app lets you to use the centimeter-accurate position from the ArduSimple receiver directly on your phone using the function in Android called mock location. Secondly, let's install GNSS Master and enable mock location in your Android device. This step needs to be done only once. So install the app from the Google Play Store. When you first open the app, grant it the necessary permissions for location permission and display notifications. Once you accept it, the status page will load, showing the current status of the app. We'll configure it later. Now we should enable developer permissions if your Android version is 4.2 and higher. Depending on your Android version, you may find them in one of the following locations. This procedure may vary slightly between different Android versions and smartphone models. If you cannot find them, Google your smartphone model plus enable mock location if you can't find the exact options. As it is being said, we go to setting of your phone, about phone, tap the build number in MIUI version. You might need to tap it 7 times. It will seem like nothing happens, but now you have access to developer options. Now we give permission to mock location. Go to settings, additional settings, scroll down and you will find developer options. In this long list, tap select mock location app and select GNSS Master from the list of apps. Now you are all set to continue with connections of ArduSimple kit to your phone. Take your RTK portable Bluetooth kit, connect the GNSS antenna to the receiver, place antenna outside in a location with good view of the sky, or near a window for testing the functionality. This kit can be connected to your phone via USB or Bluetooth. Let's connect it using USB OTG cable, which comes in a package. We recommend connection via USB because you can power and communicate with receiver at the same time. Let's open GNSS Master app and enable mock location and output to SW Maps if your intention to use it for mapping purposes. Then click the gear icon near GNSS receiver connection to enter the setup menu. Choose USB serial at mode, set baud rate to 115,200 bps, and at connected USB device, it will automatically recognize your receiver. Then press connect button. That is all, you are connected. In order to achieve centimeter level accuracy, your receiver needs to receive corrections. So that, open correction input, and choose NTR IP client in mode. And press the plus button next to NTR IP connections. Set your NTR IP client credentials, caster IP, caster port, username and password, and press save. If you don't know how to find NTR/IP correction service in your country, check the description under this video, or just contact us, we will be happy to help. Now press connect and you will see correction input showing connected with data communication. To check the connection, go back to main menu and you should see your receiver connected with data transfer. This means you are successfully connected to NTR/IP service and receiving correction data. To check your current location and available satellites, open Skyplot. Here you will find all need information. Now you are all set to start your precision work. Just open your favorite GPS GNSS application and use it as usual. You will be using an external RTK GNSS receiver instead of the smartphone's internal GPS receiver. We have tested this functionality with many apps. You will find them under this video. For instance, this is SW Maps, a popular free mapping app for collecting, presenting, and sharing geographic information. Now you know how ArduSimple can help you to survey, map, record your route or farm precisely with the help of GNSS Master and Mock Location. Let us help you have your product fully performing on your first iteration. And the best, it is ready for global delivery in 2 to 4 business days. Visit ArduSimple.com for all technical details or just contact us.